Hi, how are you? I hope you are all doing fine today. This is the renovations of the old paintings into a new one. So let's put the green color on the side of these borders here. So we're taking a brush and putting the green color along the sides here. So this is going to change the whole color portion of the entire scenery. Mhm. Lots of greens you can see on the sides. Awesome. So when we put the color, just we try to make it in a single row so that the visual effect looks very good. hmm So the lots of greens you can see here. All right. For the trunk of the trees, we're going to use a separate brush and putting a separate color. Just drawing the color like this, and the one here. Awesome. The next tree, that is also like the same. Okay. And the tree which is other one, this is also same. Okay, so three trees, just looking here. All right. And for the branches here, let's make it colorful with our red color. So that's going to be the new types of red shade. Okay, so let's put the red at the bottom. Later we're going to put the white portion on the top. Okay, so that's making a different types of shades and the appearance. All right. Also few red you can see by the river side, within the water. And here also you can see the few greens just running within the side. All right. Now taking another brush and just making the blue, you know, looks solid. So there are some gaps here for the blues. So that's why we're going to put some solid formations for the waves here. They're the changes we're just making right now. Making some parts really solid one. Some portions we just make blank or the remains white intentionally. Okay. So you can see the depth of the color is changing the scenery a little bit. Awesome. So it looks like the water just flowing on the river, and it's like the water falls, so flowing to the bottom very hard. For the sky, just putting some blues over here, and those blues are going to be mixed up with the white color. Awesome. Just mixing it with the white color, making it the light blue in appearance. Okay. Taking more white. All right. Makes the light blue appearance. Okay. So very simple, very easy. Awesome. And mixing up some white with these blues here. Awesome. The drawing looks very nice, and the finishing point is almost coming to an end. Just putting some white to the adding actually within the greeneries here, so you can see the details. Just adding the white within the green. Awesome. Okay, so that's the drawing, and hopefully it looks good. Only little portion of white we're going to add here for the trees, so that you can easily visualize the tree in a blooming color. Awesome. So this is how we're just mixing the colors. Okay. Alright, so thank you so much. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. Stay with us. See you in our next videos. And we're going to bring more interesting paintings and sceneries over there. Thank you so much. Have a good day.